Okay, here si Napio, si President Bambo Tolentino and Secretary Attorney Wharton. Talagang busy dito. Sir, ano mga last minute, hindi naman last minute, pero necessary arrangements na ginagawa niyo for our athletes?
Dahil pang problem especially visa.
Visa o?
Yung ibang officials natin wala pang visa ang nare-release.
Sa Manila. Which official?
Tapos magkipag na doon, sarado pa yung embassy. So, lahat rebook. Yung iba rebook. Dahil may new flight, hindi pa nare-release yung visa.
Sir, what new officials are you
Meron pa, may coaches, may NSLP pa.
okay.
Even kay CDM, yun lang lumabas. Flight niya ngayon, pero ngayon lang lumabas yung passport niya.
So, but with regards to the athletes naman here, ano po yung mga, kumusta sila, ng mga arrangements that you have to make sure are okay?
Yung scheduling ng everyday training. Yan ano natin yun. Kasi kailangan mo pa-schedule ka.
Sa training venue.
Yes.
Pero so far, it's okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And Attorney Wharton, anything else?
Upon arrival last night, we visited directly to the Olympic Village to check on the athletes. We were there until 2 a.m. to check on them and their status. And luckily, some of the issues were already resolved last night.
Ano, like what issue?
Some of the errors in glitches with their system regarding their visa and accreditation, so that they were actually prohibited from entering the athletes village because of the errors.
Some of our athletes?
Yeah, 3 of them. 2 boxers and their coach.
Pero nakapasok.
They're already in, so everything's doing good. We delivered the last minute competition gears, so everything went well.
This is the area where you get the accreditation and the volunteers are working. Okay, so I got my accreditation. Let's see where this gets me to. And then the next meeting, let's go Philippines. Okay, so this is the NPC main press center. Where journalists are starting to come in for the Paris Olympics. Every nation is here talaga. Ale, ale. Okay, so Sir Bambol and Wharton working to fix system problems, right, sir? This is one of the official hotels for the officials of all the different countries. Here you have all the help desk, people trying to get information, how to get here, there, and everywhere. So then you have some meeting rooms upstairs. There we have POC President Bambol and Secgen Wharton. Again, non-stop areglo today. Kamusta po? Busy pa rin?
Finished all this tomorrow is the final CDM team.
So this is some for the Paris 2024 cars, official vehicles, and it's very hard to get around the city because they're all closed, so you need like special passes. So it's going to be interesting to see how we can. Okay, Champs-Élysées in Paris. People are taking a lot of photos because of the Arc de Triomphe. area of the same stand over. Everyone kind of just exploring the city before the opening ceremony. Although to get to watch the opening ceremony is a little bit mahal. Like if you want a place like by the Sand River, you have to pay. There are some free areas, but medyo mahirap lang. Okay, so the merch store is super crowded here by the Champs-Élysées. They're selling
Yeah, I'm gonna get
euro. Shirts. 40 for the boy. Kids shirts. 45 euro. That. What else? What else? Or keychain pins. 10 euro. Pins. Hats are always popular. Oh, there's the bucket hat. 30. Can I see? Oh, that's nice. This one, Paris 2024, 30 euro. Another version of the shirts. And then there is some Team France. So this is one of the areas where people have paid for private viewing. And that's River Seine. Let's try and get closer. So all over the Seine, they have put up these stands where people have paid super mahal, like thousands, right? Thousands of euros to get a seat. Be able to see the boats that will be passing here. It's 6 kilometers of the Seine will be the opening ceremony. Each country will be riding a boat, so konti lang from each country. There's the Eiffel Tower, of course. There are some free spaces, but it's gonna be expected to be really crowded. And there's also some LED screens. So, syempre, dito sa harap ng sikat na Eiffel Tower sa Paris, dadaan ang opening ceremony parade na gaganapin dito sa Seine River. 6 kilometers ang ruta ng parade. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, hindi sa stadium gaganapin ang opening ceremonies, kundi dito sa Seine River.